Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the drag on a sphere. Okay. Okay. So drag on a sphere. So here in this topic we are considering a submerged body as a sphere here. Okay. So consider the flow of a real fluid past a sphere. Here what is happening? The fluid flow is passing through the sphere. Okay, so where the sphere is somewhat submerged in the fluid flow. So let the diameter of the sphere be d and the velocity of the flow fluid is u. Okay, also you can consider as v, and mass density of the fluid is rho and viscosity is mu. Okay, so the first condition comes here that if Reynolds number is less than or equal to 0.2. So here comes what is Reynolds number. Reynolds number is what? It is the ratio of the inertia force to the viscous force. Right? Okay. So if there is Reynolds number is less than or equal to 0.2, okay, so what are the condition occurs here? So when the velocity of flow is very small, okay, less than 0.2 is nothing but what? If this velocity is less, then what happens? It means what? The viscosity is high here. If the viscosity is high, then automatically the velocity of the flow will become low. Okay, then so what happens due to this increase in the viscosity, we give the predominant place for the viscous force here. Okay, then Stokes analyzed theoretically the flow around a sphere under very low velocities such that Re is less than 0.2. Okay, so Stokes analyzed for a low velocity. Okay, so what is that? According to Stokes' solution, total drag is, okay, so he gave the total drag formula that Fd, that is what? Drag force is equal to 3 pi mu d and u. Okay, so consider this as an equation number 1 here. Okay, then again he divided this total drag force into 2/3 of the one equation that is called as a skin friction drag equation and 1/3 for the pressure drag equations. Okay, so 2/3 of this FD will give you the equation, the 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So you will get what? 2 pi mu d u. Okay, and one more equation that is pressure drag for total drag of 1/3. Okay, then again this 3 and this main equation 3 will get cancelled. So you will get remain what? Pi mu d u. Clear? Okay. So next, also this total drag formula we know by the expression in the starting class, okay, is given by what? Fd is equal to Cd into half u square A. Okay, next, equating the equation. This is equation number 2 here, and what is your equation number 1 is this. Okay, so equating 1 and 2, okay, so you will get what? This 3 pi mu du is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So by equating these two equations, okay, so here pi will get cancelled, here pi will get cancelled, 1d will get cancelled, here 1d will get cancelled, and again u and one more u will get cancelled. So then after all this cancellation, you will get what? Cd, coefficient of drag, is equal to 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24. That is 24 mu by rho u d. So this mu by rho ud, you can write it as in the form of Reynolds number, that is rho VL by mu here. So V is a velocity. Here we are considering velocity as a U, and this is a dimensional quantity that you can write same as it is. Okay. So here in the Reynolds number we have taken length, and here we have taken D. Okay. So mu by rho UD, you can write that as a RE here. Okay. So you can get the last equation, that is CD is equal to 24 by Reynolds number RE. So this is the equation number 3. This equation number 3 is called as what? Stokes law. Okay, Stokes law here. Okay, then what is the second condition here? What is the second condition? For RE between 0.2 and 5. First condition was RE is less than or equal to 0.2. The second condition is what? For RE between 0.2 and 5, the Stokes law is improved by Ossian. He developed this equation below for increasing the inertia force. Okay, then CD is equal to 24 upon RE into 1 plus 3 divided by 16 RE. Consider this as equation number 4. Whenever you get the condition of the RE between 0.2 and 5, use this formula for the calculation. Okay, then the third condition is what? For 5 less than or equal to RE and less than or equal to 1000. So the CD for RE between 5 to 1000 is equal to 0.4. Okay, 5 to 1000 in between value is equal to what? 0.4 here. Okay, so again in the same way, again we have a condition, fourth condition, that is for 1000 is less than or equal to RE less than or equal to 1 lakh. Okay, so in between this value, that is equal to what? 0.5. Okay, then again for RE is greater than 10 raised to 5. Okay, then you will get what? The value of CD is equal to 0.2 for RE greater than 10 raised to 5. Okay, so for you can use all these condition. If they give in the question also, if they can direct these conditions, you can directly assume the CD value as mentioned here. Okay, or in another case, they may directly give you the CD value for the calculation purpose. Okay, so then again we have one more concept. The sub concept here is, what do you mean by terminal velocity of the body here? Okay, they may ask you for like a short note of terminal velocity of the body. Okay, so what happens when the body, if it is in a rest position? Okay, so after rest position, when it falls down into the atmosphere, okay, it velocity get increases. So how this velocity get increases? Due to the effect of gravitational acceleration. Okay, so due to this increase in the velocity, the drag force will get also increases, because it is moving from one place to the another place, right? So in the same way, the drag force will get also increases. When this drag force become as of the weight of that particular body, okay, the velocity will be what? Constant at that particular moment. Okay, and all other net external forces will become what? Zero. Okay, so this condition, this constant velocity is called as what? Your terminal velocity. Clear? Okay, so whatever the body which is in a rest, it starts falling into the atmosphere, or it starts moving in the atmosphere. So due to the effect of the gravitational force, there will be increase in the velocity. Due to that increase in the velocity, the drag force will also have the increase in this drag or the deformation. Clear? So that if that drag force attains the same, what we can say, the force of same force of the weight of the body, okay, what happens? The velocity will become constant. All other external force will become what? Zero. So that constant velocity, when it obtains, that moment, that position is called as a terminal velocity of the body here. Okay. Okay, so till this we can complete this session. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the WhatsApp group or in the comment box. Okay, please watch this video. Okay.